I'm quite excited. I have been waiting for this package from Goulet Pens for a little bit. I just happened to have family traveling up from the US and I wanted to take advantage of that. So here we are to show you what I had ordered. So here it goes. My order slips. Right off the bat, amazing sticker. I've been listening to Brian Goulet and just love the pen cast, and I just think it's fantastic, quite inspiring for us stationery and fountain pen, primarily fountain pen, but stationery as well, which matters. It says here, packed your order with a ridiculous amount of care. A little bit about Goulet Pens, installing converters. Oh, that's really nice. Tootsie Pop, that's pretty cool. Ah, yes. And this is a surprise for my wife for our anniversary. Since she doesn't watch my YouTube channel, I think it's okay to talk a little bit about this. I love the STs. They're fantastic. Ended up ordering some replacement nibs, and I'll talk about that in a second here as well. This is Mylar paper. I've been wanting to experiment with a little bit of the polishing of my nibs. Some micro mesh. And some Tomoe paper Goulet notebooks in A5. So these run for about $10 US each. I'm very excited about them. Go ahead and open it. I believe it's 96 sheets, 96 pages. I'll have to double check again, but oh, so beautiful, that paper. Just very smooth and silky. I've been wanting to try a different notebook instead of my usual go-to, which is the Midori A5 blank. So I'm very keen to be trying this out. This is a micro mesh. This is 12,000 grit. You can barely tell. Very, very soft. Let's try opening this the right way. And this is 2 sheets of Mylar paper, which again is just used for polishing nibs. So this is 0.3 and 1. Ah, yes. I'm gonna open this for my wife just to make sure all is good. This is an SD with a medium nib. Ooh, the botanical garden. Oh, she is gonna love that. I can tell. Very, very excited for her. For comparison's sake, this is my other ST, which I really like. This is the ST in a sea glass. And there's the botanical garden. Beautiful, beautiful pens. I'm very excited to be sharing that with her. So let's talk about these nibs. I've been wanting to experiment with swapping out some nibs in some of my favorite pens. One's a Conklin. This is a Conklin. And I bought a stub nib. If you have watched my fountain pen collection video, you'll see that I have a stub Conklin Deergraph. And I wanted to make it a bit more of a daily writer. Been using a lot of medium nibs in my longer form writing. Want to try out a medium on that guy. And then this guy here is a Monteverde. This is a Monteverde medium. I have a really beautiful Monteverde fountain pen, and I had it in a fine. Again, I wanted to switch it over to a medium here just for longer form sessions. Last but not least, a lovely Edison medium. One of my all-time favorite pens is the Edison Moonbreaker. Absolutely love this pen. but have been wanting to switch it over to a medium for some time. This is in a fine, and here's my cat. Hello, cat. So I'll go ahead and swap out the Edison nib because I'm excited and I want to see how this works. So what we're going to do is disassemble the pen. I believe it's actually quite simple. Just grip ever so gently and you twist. And look at that. Very, very straightforward. Beautiful. Some Kleenex, just give it a little wipe. So we're going to take our medium. And as always with swapping nibs, you don't want to crush these crush these feeds. Just want to hold that nice and gently. Oh, put it in the right way. Snug, but not too snug. And voila. Seems good. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. By the way, this is a Konpeki ink Iroshizuku that I have in here. Interesting. Has a little bit of a feedback to it. I think I just need to adjust the tines ever so slightly. There we go. Nice and smooth. Very nice, in fact. Still writes closer to, I would say, a fine nib in terms of the ink flow. You can tell that it's a lot more ink flow. That didn't really make sense in the first place. Similar to the fine, I should say. However, much larger. More ink on the paper. There you go. That's my Goulet Pen haul. Thank you very much, Goulet Pens. Looking forward to this.